Hello, guys. Welcome back to the Brutal Investors channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about another project that was released on Coinbase yesterday. And this project is called Shiba Inu or the SHIB token, right? Again, as always, guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research on any of the projects we cover on our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website shibatoken.com in order to learn more about this project, right? So, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to rely on the information presented on the bottom side of CoinMarketCap's page for this token. But this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, which means you guys need to do your own in-depth, thorough analysis before you put any of your hard-earned money on this token, right? So, what is Shiba Inu? So, what they're basically saying is, in a story format, they're saying that once upon a time there was a very special dog. That dog was a Shiba Inu, and this dog inspired millions of people around the world to invest money into tokens with the dog's image on it, right? So, again, it's pretty much the case because there's literally not a lot of exciting information about this. Again, I do know that this project is having its own DeFi platform, its decentralized exchange with multiple tokens within the ecosystem, but it is basically just another DeFi DApp platform, right? With a meme coin that is trying to replicate the success or even go beyond the success of Dogecoin, right? According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is the Dogecoin killer and will be listed on their own Shiba Swap, a decentralized exchange. So, just so you guys know, SHIB is an ERC20 token, which means it's on the Ethereum blockchain. It's not a separate blockchain, unlike Dogecoin, which has its own blockchain. But SHIB is basically a token that runs on the Ethereum blockchain, and it is basically advertised as the Dogecoin killer, and it has its own decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap, right? So I think that basically makes this platform a little bit unique compared to Dogecoin because this token has its own ecosystem, and the ecosystem is basically trying to expand and make itself much more prominent in the crypto space, right? So Shiba Inu coin was created anonymously in August 2020 under the pseudonym Ryoshi. The meme coin quickly gained speed and value as a community of investors was drawn in by the cute charm of the coin paired with headlines and tweets from personalities like Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin. So again, the token has a very down to earth kind of history because it doesn't necessarily have any actual practical use case for it. It was created by an anonymous developer in August of 2020 called Ryoshi. So obviously this is kind of like an inspiration from Satoshi. The founder is not clearly known as of today, and the coin was a meme coin, which means it kind of rapidly spread because since last year meme coins have been a very popular kind of theme, and Shiba basically got a lot of attention, right? And this was happening at one side, and on the other sides we were basically getting tweets from Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin. Again, Elon's tweet was a major factor in the pump of this token. So obviously Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin both have become a part of the history for Shiba Inu token, right? Shiba Inu aimed to be the Ethereum-based counterpart to Dogecoin's script-based mining algorithm. Shiba Inu and the SHIB token are part of a swarm of dog-themed cryptocurrencies, including Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Jindo Inu, Alaska Inu, and Alaskan Malamute token. These lesser valued tokens have attracted investors who missed the Dogecoin pump from a $0.0002 to nearly 75 cents, which is again $0.75, which was one of the all-time highs of Dogecoin, right? So obviously this token is trying to do something much different than what Dogecoin did. even though SHIB is a Dogecoin killer kind of advertised token, and it aims to be a meme coin with some form of kind of like community around it. It is completely different in the sense it has its own DeFi ecosystem, and its Shiba Swap is one of the most popular decentralized exchanges on the Ethereum blockchain. That is also getting more and more popular as new people are drawn to the meme coin tokens. And obviously, the dog themed cryptocurrencies have expanded beyond just Shiba and Dogecoin, because there's baby Dogecoin, Jindu Inu, Alaskan Inu, and so on and so forth. Many different Inu based Dogecoin killers or meme coins have been created since then. And this is because of the fact that Dogecoin literally went from $0.0002, which is again significantly valueless currency, to reaching 75 cents, which is again a huge x in the multiple x's in the crypto space. And Dogecoin made a huge kind of like rally, and that is something that people are expecting to get from multiple other meme tokens, right? So overall, it's a very weird slash unconventional like history that SHIB has. Most of it is positive, but some of it is a little bit negative, because a lot of people lost a lot of money by investing in SHIB, especially when it reached its all-time highs, right? But again, that's something that we'll cover by the end of this video. So who are the founders of Shiba Inu? So again, obviously we spoke about Ryoshi, but there's no real specific information about the founder itself. It's similarly mysterious as like Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto himself. So their website obviously provides a lot of comical and childish explanations, but the Shiba Inu Woof paper, again that's basically their white paper, has 3 reasons why their team created SHIB. So again, here they're talking about why the team created SHIB instead of who the team members are. So which means there is not a lot of information about the team members, right? We started from zero with zero. The brilliant minds behind SHIB had never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. Again, these are the quotes that you can find from their website. So what makes Shiba Inu unique? So again, this is the most important question for people who clicked on this channel, clicked on this video. Why would you invest your money on SHIB when you can pretty much invest it anywhere else, right? The Shiba Inu website invites dog-inspired artists from all over the world to foster the artistic Shiba movement as they bring their Shiba Inu community into the NFT market. Again, this I personally feel like has nothing to do with the reason for investing in this token. Again, obviously they are stating that it is to inspire dog-themed artists or people who like dogs, or artists who like dogs or who draw dogs more frequently, to inspire them to create the community and build the community around it. And this community is going to be like the artistic Shiba movement, and they're trying to bring this community to the NFT space, right? Yes, but again, as a retail investor, why would I care about either dog-themed art experts or bringing the Shiba community, right? Again, I personally, although I'm a fan of dogs, I personally am not necessarily going to invest because of this particular reason, but there are obviously lots of people who would choose to invest in this because of this very reason, right? So if you are one of these people, then this token is obviously something that you need to look into. Shiba Inu has also created a campaign using Amazon Smile in order to collect donations for Rescue Real live Shiba Inu dogs with the Shiba Inu Rescue Association. So again, they are trying to project themselves as this volunteering community group that focuses on the well-being of Shiba Inu dogs and tries to rescue them from people who are kidnapping dogs or people who are poachers of Shiba Inu dogs, and bring them to the Shiba Inu Rescue Association, right? Again, it is obviously like a weird reasoning. There's literally no actual like financial or fundamental reasons to this. It is kind of projecting itself as a kind of like a charity kind of project, but the reality is, yes, a lot of people made a lot of money with this token, but a lot of people have also lost a lot of money. And I don't think no matter how much justification you give in these kind of explanations on how charity oriented this project is, the fact is it is a project that is extremely volatile and has made a lot of people wrecked and will continue to make a lot of people wrecked because of its extremely unsustainable tokenomics, right? Which we'll cover shortly. So again, this is a particular section that we'll cover shortly about the circulation. Let's talk about how Shiba Inu is secured. So here they're calling Shiba Inu network, but I don't think it's a network in and of itself. It's using the Ethereum network, but I think they will eventually plan to have their own kind of like blockchain once things start steaming up. But for now, they are on the Ethereum blockchain, right? According to the 22-page long SHIB's WOOF paper, SHIB is based on Ethereum, a proof of work blockchain currently transitioning to proof of stake. Again, obviously, their security relies on the Ethereum blockchain security, which is one of the most secure blockchains in the crypto space right now. So if Ethereum moves from proof of work to proof of stake, then Shiba Inu will benefit from that because the project will become even more kind of like scalable with extremely low gas fees in order to interact with the Shiba Inu ecosystem itself, right? But overall, its security system is dependent on the Ethereum network itself. So again, that's that for the peripheral analysis. Let's go to their website itself to do some more peripheral analysis. So if you go to their website, shibatoken.com, again, it's a very simple website with a very simple website design and very simple motto as well. So you can obviously find multiple other tokens with this platform: SHIB, Leash, Bone, or some of the other tokens of this ecosystem. They have Shiba Swap as well as an incubator as well, with more than 585,000 community members. That's rapidly growing, right? You can basically click on the how to buy button to buy it from Uniswap. Read WOOF paper version 2 in order to read their white paper. Our project and ecosystem. So here they're talking about the project itself. Liquidity locked to Uniswap, India's COVID relief fund, and Vitalik Buterin's burn. So again, these are some of the main things that actually highlight the uniqueness of this project, right? Except for its tokenomics, I think I like this token overall as a project, but I don't really think I will ever invest in this token solely because of its tokenomics and because of how much manipulatable this token is, right? But obviously, one of the main key features of this token is that the initial liquidity that is provided for this token on Uniswap is locked, which means there's no chance of rug pulls or dumping a huge volume of this token in the market anytime soon, right? They've also supported to the good causes such as India's COVID relief fund, which is also pretty good. And also the main out of the three highlights here is Vitalik Buterin actually burned his token. So this token was actually minted and sent. A huge chunk of tokens were sent to Vitalik Buterin's personal Ethereum wallet address, and Vitalik basically, I think he gave a huge chunk of this his free tokens to India's COVID relief fund. So this basically ties in with Vitalik Buterin, and then he also burnt a huge chunk of it as well, thereby making it seem as though there's less tokens in the market or less tokens to circulate, and therefore people started swarming in. But in reality, as you will see shortly, the tokenomics is horrendous, right? It's one of the worst, or if not the worst, tokenomics of a crypto project that we've covered in our channel. But we'll go through that in a few seconds. So again, this is the coins logo, and you can basically see some of the information that they're providing. So the leash is one of the other tokens that's available on this ecosystem, and it's a rebase token, right? So I'll let you guys read through this section to learn more about the leash token itself, but I think eventually I will make a separate video on leash itself, right? And bone is another kind of like its own independent token on the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and they have a relatively much better tokenomics for the bone token because it has 250 million tokens, which is significantly smaller than SHIB's token supply, right? And you can also buy bone as well, and I think bone will also be a topic that we'll cover separately. So this is the Shiba Inu's ecosystem. Yeah, they're basically providing a lot of information about how to buy, where to buy, and all that, because obviously they're trying to sell their token and try to make this token popular. So quick start guide, again, they're trying to provide a quick start on how you can access the Shiba swap and even buy the Shiba Inu token. They are audited by Certic, and they are performing multiple other audits as well. And if you see, Shiba swap is a pretty cool kind of layout, and it's easy to use for everyone. Again, as I said, everything about this ecosystem is pretty good and normal. It has nothing really extra to offer because it's just another DeFi dApp token, right? Which is again basically trying to become the Dogecoin killer. Rescue, again, these are some of their charitable work. They are trying to do more charity works to support the actual Shiba Inu dog breed. And here is the community information. Here's the actual contract address for this token and the social media information as well, right? So overall, it is a project that literally offers nothing innovative to the crypto space, but it does offer a very unique brand of meme coin, which is a meme coin, but the token itself has its own robust ecosystem, right, on the Ethereum blockchain. So going back to the CoinMarketCap page for SHIB token, this token is currently ranked 47th by market cap. Again, it is one of the top 50 tokens. This token used to be one of the fastest growing tokens just a few months back, but now it's within the top 50, but it's continuing to stay within the top 50, which is a really good thing. And if you see, the token price is, again, bear with me for a second, so this is going to take a little bit while. So it's $0.000083 per token. Again, at face value, this may seem to be practically worth nothing, right? Which it is in theory, but again, if you look at the market cap, this token has a lot of money in it, which means this token is still quite overinflated, and that's mainly because of a lot of new investors who don't really know anything about tokenomics versus market cap or anything like that, and they just look at the price and they're like, okay, let's just grab it. They look at the dog like the dog symbol or icon, and then they think that this is going to be the next Dogecoin, and they buy it. So these are all some of the psychological quirks that this token kind of like takes advantage of for reaching this status, right? Like reaching within the top 50. And this is, again, not just my personal opinion, it's actually something that's widely agreed upon in the crypto space. So if you guys watch any Shiba Inu video on YouTube, you may expect to hear this from other YouTubers as well, right? But as of now, there's a 5.21% decrease in the price in the past 24 hours, and the market cap is $3.272 billion. Again, there's $3.272 billion worth of money that's locked into this project, a token, and that makes it extremely mind-blowing because it is obviously a meme coin, again, not a prominent meme coin like Dogecoin, but it's still one of the most popular meme coins in the crypto space. And in a very short span of time, this token managed to reach $3.2 billion in market cap, and that's the most fascinating thing, and it also tells a lot about the investor psychology as well, right? If you take a look at the max supply and total supply, again, this token seems to have a total token supply of 4 quadrillion tokens, right? So there is millions, billions, trillions, and quadrillions. Yeah, I think it has 1 quadrillion tokens as total supply. And if you look at the circulating supply, there's only 394 billion tokens in circulating supply. So obviously you can imagine that with 349 billion tokens in circulation, you get a token price per token of 0.000008. That's again 5 zeros after the decimal point, right? If you can imagine all of this token supply, all the 1 quadrillion tokens are in circulation, then I think you will probably reach 10 to the power of 10 decimal points, after I think you'd have 10 decimal points, not 5 decimal points after the decimal point, right? So you have 10 zeros after the decimal point. So that's basically what I'm trying to say. So this token is obviously going to be significantly dilutive in nature. Therefore, it's a token that does not retain any asset value because it constantly dilutes itself unless a lot of people stake this token. Even after that, I don't think this token can easily overcome its dilutive nature, right? So it is a very controversial token because it is an extremely popular token in the crypto space, but its tokenomics is mind-bogglingly horrendous. And I think this token is by default, in theory, going to be considered as a worst investment because it cannot retain its value, because as new tokens are released into the market, the token price is either going to go sideways or even crash frequently, right? So and off the record, I want to let you guys know that this token will never reach $1 per token. It's mathematically impossible, and I don't think even in the sense of real world, I don't think it's possible as well, because I think there's not a lot of capital in the real world to even bring this token to 50 cents per token, let alone $1 per token, right? So if you guys are looking to invest in this token with an expectation of reaching $1 per token, you are extremely wrong, and you definitely need to reevaluate your business, your investment strategy with cryptocurrencies, right? So going to the price charts, again, this token obviously had been flat since its inception. On 1st of August 2020, this token was significantly lower. I would let you read the price yourself. It's, I think, close to 9 zeros after the decimal point and then a 5 after that. So that's where this token was for a considerable period of time until early this year. Even in fact, during the April of this year, when the token went from this number to an all-time high of literally 0.000035. I know that may not sound a lot, but you can easily see from the chart that the token went parabolic, right? And then it instantly crashed. So this is a typical curve or a typical chart for any meme token. The reason is meme tokens are extremely unpredictable, and therefore one of the dangerous investment opportunities in the crypto space right now. You need to be extremely careful because market manipulation is so severe that these kind of peaks are extremely common, but these peaks don't really last long. Once the token has reached a price, it instantly falls apart and then crashes, thereby bringing down unwary investors, right? So you need to be extremely careful about that. But since its crash, the token has been moving sideways. I think this token, in theory, will go sideways or even crash multiple times, more frequently because of its tokenomics. And also, this token can easily become a target for manipulators and people who want to pump and dump tokens, right? So these group of individuals will find this token a very good opportunity to unveil their schemes, and therefore you need to be extremely careful about them, right? I personally would not recommend buying this token because, again, if you're looking to make some quick buck, you can make some quick buck with any other cryptocurrency with a very good tokenomics and with an actual proper use case as well. And now I think with this token you are basically investing to lose a lot of money really quickly, right? That's just my opinion, guys. I would not really recommend anybody buying this token, but if you go to the Bitcoin comparative, on the other hand, this token did do significantly well with Bitcoin comparative as well. Again, this token is obviously significantly lower than 1 satoshis per token, and it reached an all-time high during mid of April or late April to reach a price point of close to, again, I'm not even going to try to say that, but you can clearly see it's a predominantly like straight peak followed by an instant crash and then moving sideways, right? This token, if you're looking to buy this token with Bitcoin, again, I don't even know why you would give up your Bitcoin to buy a token of this kind of caliber. I know it's a very popular cryptocurrency, but I don't think it has any value or actual use case outside of just being a meme coin, right? At least other tokens have some form of a use case within their ecosystem or outside of their ecosystems. But Bitcoin, I would never ever use Bitcoin to buy this token. I wouldn't even use dollars to buy this token, right? I would probably not even buy this token at all if I were you, but it's up to you, right? If you take the markets, you can clearly see this token is available on Coinbase, obviously, and it's available on Binance, available on Huobi Global, and several other exchanges as well. But again, if you can get it from Binance and now Coinbase, I don't know why you choose other exchanges to pay extremely high, especially decentralized exchanges to pay extremely high gas fees to buy this token. But if I were you, I would probably not even buy this token. But if you want to buy this token, that's up to you, right? So what's my final verdict on this? I think this token has been reviewed by me a few months back, and I made the exact same statement, which I'm going to make right now. This is not a token that you need to invest on because this is a speculative token with a lot of opportunities to get wrecked. I think it's a token that will continue to exist for a very long time, because there will be unwary investors who will continue to invest in this token, regardless of what a lot of people say or a lot of people want. I think this token can make unpredictable peaks and unpredictable dumps. Yes, you can make some really good short-term gains with this token depending on at what price you buy it at, but you are going to also have an equally high risk of losing all your money, right? Because this token is extremely erratic, and even if this token price goes to a new all-time highs, it won't stay there for long. So by the time you realize that this token had been in an all-time high, the token would obviously have dumped by that point before you could even realize about selling this token, right? So it is a very tricky token. I know a lot of people love this token. I have no idea why they like this, but there are extremely good quality, innovative, groundbreaking projects. Even I covered a project yesterday about Horizon, which was a really good project that I would personally look into. If you have those kind of options, I would suggest you to do that instead of like trying to choose this particular token to lose your money on, right? You can make a lot of money in crypto, but you can also lose as quickly as you make money. And SHIB is going to be one of those tokens that can technically seem to make you a lot of money really quickly, but it's actually going to pull you down and make you hate the crypto space forever, right? Again, that's just my verdict, guys. Remember, guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.